There was a time when I just asked, just out into the openness around me, how do I live? Because I just felt like how I was living, it just was not conducive for me. It's just like a knowing that I felt to just go outside and just be more connected with the outdoors, with the trees, with the grass, with the ground. And I just developed a newfound appreciation for the natural elements. It seems to just be that support system when you're going through something. You can pour your heart out into the natural elements. You can talk just like you're talking to a person. I usually just feel immediate relief when I come outside. Like I could be feeling uptight about something or worried about something. And when I come outside, I just feel like that weight begins to just immediately lift. Just me simply standing outside on the ground is support. The ground is supporting me as I stand. When you plant something in the ground and how it grows, and then you can forage and pick those things, those vegetables, the fruit from the trees. The ground is just total support. It's a nourisher. It nourishes us. And that just came full circle for me. It provides energy that helps us regulate, especially during times when we need it the most.